The ultimate goal is to help somebody who has cancer to live longer. As cancer researchers, we get nervous about the C word of cure, but I mean, that's always the dream.
Research cures cancer is more than a phrase. Research cures cancer is a central belief, a central tenet of the IU Simon Comprehensive Cancer Center. It is, even though we've been studying cancer for almost a couple hundred years now, we still understand very little of why cancers do what they do. Where do they come from? Why do they grow? What is the best way to treat them? What are the weaknesses that they have? What are the effects of our treatment on patients in terms of side effects? And how can we prevent cancer? All those things we are just really beginning to scratch the surface of. And that's where research comes in. Research helps us understand that. Research is where the hope lives in cancer therapy, cancer cures. And so the more we understand why cancers do what they do, the more we can develop new ways to prevent cancers, new ways to treat cancers, new ways to cure cancer. So that's what Research Cures Cancer means to me.
So I first became interested in cancer because I was fascinated by the biology. How could a normal cell escape the controls of growth and become immortal? It was fascinating. And then I met the patients and saw what this disease does to patients and their families and their communities. And I couldn't not do this. I couldn't study something else when you see the impact of this disease.
My father died of cancer and my college roommate died of cancer. And so those were two, really big people in my life that I felt a big loss with. And so it's not hard to tell you what inspires me.
It's the people that you see, and it's the people who are suffering, the people who are dying, and their family members. And you do feel an obligation to help do something about it. It's not enough just to treat the disease. You have to understand what's causing it, come up with better therapeutic strategies, and help reduce the incidence of the disease in the first place. So it's really an obligation that you feel, that you want to be purposeful, that there's a reason why you've done the things that you've done, and you want to translate it to actually matter.
If it weren't for donors coming forward and enabling early stage research, the exponential growth that we've seen in our field would just not have been possible.
So the vision for the Melvin and Bren Simon Comprehensive Cancer Center is to be an outstanding cancer center that everybody around the planet will want to say, that's where you should go to get your cancer treated, because they have the smartest doctors, they have the best researchers, they have the best technology. And I believe that this is something that is very much within the realm of possibility for us to do here in Indiana.